Are you tired of losing? Are you looking to actually make some money trading? Well, today I'm going to be teaching you two very important skills that will make you very profitable. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do these. And the best part is these skills relate to any coin and they work on any time frame, and couple them together to create the perfect trading strategy. So, what exactly are these two skills? The first skill we are going to talk about is the Fibonacci retracement tool. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use this. So, what is the Fibonacci retracement tool? The Fibonacci retracement tool is this right here. You can see on Bitcoin how I have this chart that shows different layers with different colors on it. So in order to access this tool, you'd go over here on the left on Trading View, and you'd hit this one right here, this fib retracement. Then you'd place it at the swing low, or the lowest level before it starts going up, and then you'd drag it out to the swing high, or the highest level. You can see here that then it creates this chart. Now this chart isn't so much telling you when to buy, but it's more telling you where the market is and what's going on in the market, and shows you a little history of how the market likes to move. So what do I mean by this? What I mean by this is, in this using this tool, you can see that Bitcoin likes to move up and then bounce off this golden ratio, meaning every time it gets close to this golden ratio, this $93,000, or as you can see here, $95,000, every time it gets close, it's going to likely go up. So that's a good place to buy. And you can see here that it likes to top out at around $106,000 here in the past. So why is this tool useful? Now, this tool is useful because, like I said, there can be exact chart lines that it likes to bounce off of, like the golden ratio. That is a very, very well-known number right here, this 0.382, and many coins like to bounce off of this, but it is very hard for a coin to break above this. Now, you can see here, looking at Solana, that I've actually drawn the Fibonacci retracement tool again, and you can see that it's useful because it shows me that we have gone basically all the way in a full circle. So drawing from swing low to swing high, you can see that Solana went full circle in regards to its recent pump. So it pumped all the way up, and then now it's come down, and you can see how it didn't really hold any of the levels. Now, in the case like Solana, where it didn't hold any of the levels, how would we have known when to buy, and how do we know when to sell? Well, I'm so glad you asked that, because that brings me to the second point here. Now, that second point is this. You can go right here, and it's this one down here, this RSI tool. Now, you want to go here to indicators on the Trading View. Then you search up this one right here, this RSI tool. Now, once you have that, you can hit the star so that you make sure to favorite it. Once you have added that, I will show you how to use it. Now, you may just see these lines and think, okay, well, what's the point of all these lines? Yeah, I know the market goes up. I'm looking at a chart twice. But that's actually not what you're looking at. You're not looking at the price here. You're looking at how much people are buying it. So, why is that important? Why is it important to know when people are buying and when people are selling? Well, it shows when this coin is oversold. What do I mean by this? Well, let's go down to a coin like Dog with Hat. So if we go to Dog with Hat and go to the 1 hour time frame, and we zoom in to make sure that everything looks nice and big. So now that we're at the 1 hour time frame here, you can see that, okay, so the coin has its ups and it has its downs. So what? How do we make money off of that? How do we make money off of the coin going up and going down? Well, you want to buy when it's low, sell when it's high. Now, you may already have noticed it, and you may not. If you didn't, that's okay. But let's line up when it's telling us to buy. It says buy when it's at 20, and sell when it's at 80. Buy when it's 20% or undersold, buy when it's 80% oversold. So if we were to buy when it tells us right now at this 20 line right here, that would actually mark us right here. Then we sell at the top at 80 once it crosses out, and that puts us right here. So you can see that it puts us right at the top. And then as it comes down, you can see that it tells us to buy here as it's coming down, and then it sells, marking the top. And looking back here at this one, this is a perfect one because it was only 3 candles or 3 hours long, but this tool caught it. You can see it goes up and tells you to buy and then sell. It tells you perfectly when the top of the market is. It tells you when it's about to pump, and then once it pumps, it tells you when it's about to dump, when everybody is about to start selling. So using these two tools, this combination of the two tools, you can know when to buy, and then you can use the Fibonacci retracement tool to kind of look at the market and tell when the market is actually what phase of the market it's in. And if it's unclear of what phase the market is in, or you're looking to actually start and execute the trade, that is when you can use this stock RSI tool in order to know when to get in and when to buy. That being said, I will catch you guys later. Adios.